Welcome to RNX. In this video I'm going to show you that how to do update on the Shopify section if there any update available of any Shopify sections. So how to do that? For example, we have an update of our Ultimate Marquee. The latest version is version 1.1.2. So to update this, at first download and unextract this. Perfect. Then go here and then go to your Shopify store, come to the theme options. Before update, I always prefer to do a backup. So for example, click on the three dot on your current theme, then click duplicate. Perfect. The duplication done, click on the new copy, the duplicated theme on the three dot, then click edit code. Perfect. After the edit page code load, collapse this template, expand this sections folder, then find the liquid file what you create for your section. For example, for the ultimate code, we create this ultimate sliding text dot liquid file to add the section. So you might write the same file name, or if there is different file name, no problem, just click on this. After this, open, go here, then click this, then select all and copy. Perfect. Then come back here, click Ctrl A to select all, and then click delete or backspace, so the previous code will be removed. Then paste the new code what you copied from the updated version. Perfect. Then click save. Well, the update on the backup theme has been done. So now we need to test, due to the update, is there any bad impact on the website or is it working properly? So for that, just go to the preview options. You can see that after updating that it's still working perfectly. So that means there is no problem on there. So you can go ahead, and since this duplicate theme update is working well, you can update on the main theme. So for that, go to the three dot and click edit code, and you have to follow the same steps. Collapse template, expand section, go to ultimate marquee, okay, remove previous one, paste new, copy the code from here, then paste it and save this. Perfect. So after doing this, then come back here, and now you can check that how it's working from your store. So it's also, there is no problem. So now since everything is working fine here, so you can remove the previous backup theme what you just create a backup or duplicate just for this update. So you can remove this. So this way you can update without duplicate, you can directly update this, but for our safety we always prefer that you should make a duplicate or backup of the previous theme before update any on the code. So thank you so much for watching the video. If have you any question or suggestion, you can let us know. Thank you very much.